How to log in to eBay account on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your eBay account on PC. In order to do so, ensure that you have already created an account on eBay. Now, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in ebay.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter of your keyboard to search for it. And now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of eBay. In this interface, at the top left, you will be able to see the sign-in link. Simply click on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see the sign-in interface. Also, if you have signed in using your Google, Facebook or Apple ID, then you may also select one of these options from the bottom and then sign into your account. In case if you haven't created an account yet, you may also get to click on this create account link that helps you to register on eBay. Since I have created my account using email, I'm going to enter my email address in this field. Simply click on the box and then enter your email address there. Once after entering your email address, click on the continue button just below it. After that, you will be prompted to enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. In case if you don't remember your password, you may also click on this reset your password link just below the sign in button, and then from there you can reset your password by receiving a verification code via email or phone. Now once after entering the password, if you'd like to recheck your password, then you may simply click on this checkbox at the right side that says so. By doing so, you'll be able to reveal and then check whether you have entered the password correctly or not. And once you have entered it correctly, simply click on the sign in button at the bottom. Now you will need to wait for a few seconds. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here, if you'd like to add a PIN to your account, you can simply click on this continue. For now, I'm skipping this option. Simply click on this skip for now and then proceed further. After that, you will see you have successfully logged in to your eBay account on PC. At the top left, you'll be able to see your profile name. Now you'll be able to access your account and start trading on it. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign in or log in to your eBay account on PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.